Today is Sunday, January 30th. This is the 1960 to 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible and Eldorado set of chrome-plated doorknobs and the polished stainless steel ferrule rings. These are for my friend Lance in California, and these will be shipping out tomorrow morning as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. These are unique and specific to the coupes, and both Coupe DeVille and the Series 62 and the convertibles and the Eldorados. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Suitable from 1960 all the way through 1968. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 to 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today's Sunday, January 30th. Thank you very kindly.